We're on site here at Amada's LA Technical Center. They were gracious enough to open their doors to the 200 MDNA members that came. We got to see all the different types of machine tools that Amada builds and learn about their history. We got to see some really cool demos of the robots. We'll take you and show you around. One of the machines that we've been learning about today, and we're seeing a lot more of it in manufacturing, is laser welding. So it was awesome to get to talk to Oscar here at the LA Technical Center at Amada to learn more about laser welding, learn about the engines that drive them. I don't want to get too close and upset the safety curtain, but you can see they were laser welding these dice. It's done just almost instantaneously. It's just a really interesting technology, and to learn about it from one of the leaders in the industry in such a beautiful environment is just a real treat. We got some awesome video of these press brakes doing a full ATC tooling changeover. If you haven't seen a press brake doing an ATC change, it's unbelievable. It's so cool. It's the future of fabrication and definitely tooling as far as press brakes go. This turret punch press they were running for us. These turret punch presses are becoming a lot more popular now in the data center market. So we get to see the turret punch presses in action. Is this place not amazing? I mean, I am geeking out at the quality of the machines, the cleanliness of it. You could eat off the dang floors here. We're running late, we got to get out of here, but I just wanted to show you around and show you all this cool, fun stuff that I geek out over.